Через 5 секунд ти почнеш вивчати нові слова, а поки підпишись, постав лайк та напиши коментар.
Bad.
Поганий.
This is a bad idea.
Market.
Ринок, базар.
We go to the market.
Piano.
Піаніно.
She plays the piano.
Rain.
Дощ.
It starts to rain.
May.
Може, дозвіл.
I may come later.
Face.
Обличчя.
I wash my face.
Zoo.
Зоопарк.
We visit the zoo.
Father.
Батько.
My father is at home.
Pull.
Тягнути.
I pull the door.
Cousin.
Двоюрідний брат.
My cousin is funny.
Ruler.
Лінійка.
I have a ruler.
Zero.
0.
The score is 0.
Girl.
Дівчина.
The girl is happy.
Flat.
Квартира.
This is my flat.
Must.
Повинен.
The show must go on.
1,000.
1000.
She has 1,000 books.
Climb.
Лазити, підніматися.
I climb the tree.
Girlfriend.
Дівчина.
My girlfriend is kind.
Sea.
Море.
The sea is blue.
Really.
Дійсно.
I really like it.
Ready.
Готовий.
I am ready now.
October.
Жовтень.
October is cold.
Leave.
Жити.
They live in a city.
Wrong.
Неправильний, помилковий.
This answer is wrong.
Yesterday.
Вчора.
I worked yesterday.
Show.
Показувати, шоу.
They show the picture.
Look.
Дивитися, виглядати.
Look at the sky.
Minute.
Хвилина. Wait a minute.
Capital.
Столиця.
Kyiv is the capital.
Neighbor.
Сусід.
My neighbor is nice.
Cat.
Кіт.
The cat is sleeping.
Come.
Приходити.
Come with me.
Hobby.
Хобі.
My hobby is music.
Mum.
Мама.
My mum is here.
Ice cream.
Морозиво.
I like ice cream.
Call.
Дзвонити.
I call my friend.
Answer.
Відповідь, відповідати.
I answer the question.
Married.
Одружений. They are married.
Present.
Подарунок.
I have a present.
Difficult.
Важкий, складний.
This task is difficult.
Space.
Простір, космос.
Space is big.
Brother.
Брат.
My brother is tall.
November.
Листопад.
November is cold.
Station.
Станція.
We are at the station.
Would.
Би.
I would like tea.
Our.
Наш.
This is our house.
Date.
Дата, побачення.
This is our date.
Start.
Починати.
We start now.
Keep.
Тримати, зберігати.
Keep the door open.
Village.
Село.
This village is small.
Large.
Великий. The room is large.
Paint.
Фарбувати, фарба.
I paint the wall.
Moment.
Момент.
Wait a moment.
Give.
Давати.
Give me the pen.
North.
Північ.
The north is cold.
Play.
Грати, п'єса.
They play football.
Year.
Рік.
This year is good.
Movie.
Фільм.
We watch a movie.
There.
Їхній.
This is their car.
West.
Захід.
The sun sets in the west.
Jeans.
Джинси.
I wear jeans.
Test.
Тест. Перевіряти.
I have a test today.
During.
Під час. Протягом.
During the day.
Maths.
Математика.
Maths is easy.
Same.
Той самий. Однаковий.
We have the same bag.
Week.
Тиждень.
It takes 1 week.
Push.
Штовхати.
I push the door.
Fine.
Добре.
I feel fine.
Interested.
Зацікавлений.
I am interested in this.
Wear.
Носити одяг.
I wear a jacket.